This is the Blizzard of 2013. It's kind of winding down right now, but it's pretty hairy there for a little while. And we got about, let's see, it's kind of tough to tell with the wind drifts, but I don't know, 1.5 feet, 2 feet, somewhere around there. And it was still whipping pretty good this morning. It lasted all night. And that's pretty much it. Just a lot of white snow. Fluffy stuff. I don't have gloves on, so I'm not going to touch it, but good stuff. Gonna get out the sled later. Toboggan. Alright, signing off from Pepperell.